Well, welcome back. Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. This is Crypto Big Boss, and I wanted to talk to you again about Mina coin, or is it Mina coin, however you want to pronounce it. And as you guys know, I'm really hot for these privacy coins. I always have been. As long as I've been following crypto, I have always had a preference and a love for the privacy coins because I believe that our privacy and knowledge about our transactions should be something that is not a matter of public record. Nobody has any business knowing every dollar you spend and what you're spending on. And I just wanted to make another video about Mina coin. Some things that I noticed at the site, and I wanted to take you through the process of where they are as an organization, being able to provide a capability to allow developers to build on top of this capability. We're at their site right now, and we've been here before. If you're a member of this particular channel, if you're a subscriber, let's take a look at this. This is Mina coin, or Mina coin, is building the privacy and security layer for Web3. If you scroll on down here, they talk about the knowledge-based proofs, and this is what I wanted to focus on right here. It says build on Mina with ZK apps, smart contracts powered by zero knowledge. The SDK based on TypeScript will be available soon. So the implication here is it's not out yet. They're saying that they have smart contracts and the SDK using TypeScript that allows you to, I guess, build these smart contracts is not out yet. I'm going to just go ahead right now and let's see what happens. I have not done this. I'm going to see if I can sign up. Are you a developer wanting to build on Mina? Join the mailing list to be the first to be notified about launches, including the SDK. We also encourage you to join the Mina Discord server to discuss with other like-minded individuals and learn more about ZK apps, bit.ly/Mina Discord. I don't have a Discord ID, so I'm going to just put my Crypto Big Boss email in real quick and see what it does. So I'm going to go ahead and submit. Okay, they say thanks for submitting the form, and we will see what happens. They probably send you a little something that says that when the SDK is going to come out. So I'll have to follow this video up with information about what they provided. That's all you need. Now, why would let's say you're not a developer. Why is this information important to you? Well, I want to show you something else here. Let's take a look at the overall chart for Mina coin. You can see that it has been a roller coaster. If we look at all of it, it's been as high as $5.90 according to this. I have seen, if you're on Coinbase, it says it's been as high as $114. So one of these charts has got to be wrong. I would say that this is probably the correct chart when we're looking here on Coin Market Cap. So the highest this coin has ever been, looks like it's been about $6.20, maybe about twice the actual price of what it is right now. Why is it important to sign up, even if you're not a developer, to be notified when the software development kit or SDK comes out? Why would I recommend you doing that? Because my theory is that when that SDK comes out, Mina coin is going to shoot to the moon. Okay? Why would I say that? Well, imagine Ethereum with privacy capability. What if their smart contracts capability was not already out and they were developing it and they had a notification process and people were just waiting around for it to get ready, and then all of a sudden it comes out? The first people to know are the developers in this case, or people smart enough to just say, hey, I want this information. How many projects are going to say, you know what, I'm not going to wait on Bitcoin to get privacy capability. I'm not going to wait on Ethereum to get privacy capability. Here is a platform that is going to allow us to build smart contracts and games and any notion of manner of applications with blockchain technology and privacy built within the actual infrastructure. As soon as people realize what this really means, it's like having Zcash with with smart contracts, or Dash with smart contracts. When people realize that, they're going to realize that Mina Coin should not be where it is with its actual rank. Let's go down here and take a look at where Mina Coin actually is. Mina Coin is sitting at $3.16, and its market rank is number 72. Ask yourself, where is Dash? Where is Zcash? Where are the other privacy coins? And let's see. Let's just take a look. Let's just go over here and take a look and see where they're at. Let's go ahead and just put Zcash in. Well, I'm not going to scroll through this. Zcash. All right. So if I look here at Zcash, Zcash is trading at $162, and it is ranked the number 52 coin. Okay. They got, this is, do you see anything about smart contracts here? Decentralized currency focus on privacy and anonymity. I don't see anything about smart contracts here. That doesn't mean you don't have them, but I don't see anything here talking about smart contracts. Interesting. We'll have to dig in and see if there's another. That'll be another video. Does Zcash have smart contracts? Leave a link in the description if y'all would like me to run that down for you. What about Dash? Okay, so we saw, first of all, Zcash is at number 52. What about Dash? Let's go up here and take a look. It's another privacy coin. Look where it is. $111. It's sitting at number 78. So it's actually been passed up. Dash has gotten passed by Mina Coin. How about that? It's already the water is getting splashed out the pool, y'all. How about we go and take a look at Monero? Okay, Monero, another privacy coin. Where is it at? Monero is number 36. So think about this. Number 36 and number 52, if we were, now that we know where they are, let's just go over here and look at the market cap. We're going to go down to number 36, which is Monero. There it is. Look at that market cap. Okay? Monero is at $3,964,000,000. Okay? $3,964,000,000. Okay? Let's take a look at the market cap for Dash. Let's go on down here. I think we're in the, or Zcash. Zcash is at $2,296,000,000. Okay? And let's go on down to number 78. Okay? We're not going to look at Dash because they've already been passed up. Let's go and look at Mina Coin sitting at 1.4 billion. Why is this important? Because now you can see the room for growth. Mina Coin is sitting, look at that, 16% on the week. It's much more than that, I bet, on the 30-day. Mina Coin is sitting up here at 1.4 billion-dollar market cap, and there's these other coins that are have the same. Zcash is roughly double. What is that? 2.2. Okay, almost double. Let's see. It'll be 2.8, a little less than double. The point is, when people realize that you can do smart contracts with Mina Coin and it's got some privacy capability, when that SDK comes out, that is the realization of it. Okay? So you're looking at a 2x gain right there. And we won't even talk about it. Well, I guess we're going to have to talk about it. Let's go on up here and look at Monero. 3.9. Okay. Alexa, what is 3.9 divided by 1.4?
3.9 divided by 1.4 is approximately 2.7857.
Almost 3 times, 2.7 on your money. So where I'm going with this is, when I say in my other video that Mina Coin could 10x by the end of 2023, I'm telling you that Mina could 3x just this year. It could 3x this year. Easily. It belongs in the top echelon of the privacy coins. And all we have to do is wait until the news comes out. So I would recommend y'all go out there and sign up for the SDK. Sign up for the notification of the SDK so you'll get the news when it comes. Of course, I'm going to do another video on this. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and follow the logic. Like, subscribe, and share. Share this video so people understand when emerging technologies like Mina Coin publish their SDK, it means a chance for adoption, which ultimately will drive the price of this coin up. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.